Let's learn about the switch function. Switch function is similar to if function in Power BI. With switch function, we can calculate a value based on some conditions and we can apply it in two ways. We can apply switch function when we want to do a one-on-one values based logical test. And we can apply it based on the range of values based logical test. Let's learn both of these scenarios with our example. This is the product table where we have product level data, we have product name, product category, cost price, selling price, and status. Here the column status indicate whether the product is active or inactive. If in our report we do not want it to be shown as 0 or 1 and we want it as active or inactive, we can simply create a column here based on this condition. And here we will use switch function to do it. I created a new column. Let's call it status 2. All right. So switch function returns values depending on the values in our expression. So here, when we want to do a one-on-one value based logical test, our expression would just be that column name. So that is status. And here our test would be if status has value as 1, then the output should be active. And if status has value 0, then output should be inactive. Okay, and that's all. Look at the formula. This is much smaller than when we use if function. And here we got our result. 1 is equal to active, 0 is equal to inactive. So this is the first scenario where we are doing the one-on-one comparison. Now let's look at the calculation when we need to do a range-based logical test. So here we have the cost price of the product and cost price ranges from $10 to all the way to $600. If we want to segment our customer, our product into the cost categories, like products which are um, low cost, medium cost, and high cost, we want to segregate them and that we can analyze later. So let's create that using the switch function. I'll create a new column, cost category. In this case, we need to pass true as the expression. True means that it will now look at all the logical tests that we will pass subsequently. And if those logical tests are true, then we need to specify what result we want to show. So let's pass the logical test. So here the logical test would be cost price is if it is, let's say, less than or greater than 400, then the output should be high. Let's call it high price. And in the else, we can put more conditions. So once again, if cost price is greater than 200, then it is medium price. And finally, if cost price is greater than 0, then it is low price. And we've got the cost category here. So this is how we can provide we can use the switch condition for the range of values instead of fixed values. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.